Today I'm going to do some fried chicken. And not any fried chicken, it's going to be a Jollibee inspired Chickenjoy fried chicken. So what do you need to make a fried chicken? Of course you need a chicken and something to fry it. Let's get it ready. Next thing, I need to Google what's in it. Chickenjoy recipe. Have tablespoon of fine spice powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. I don't have the 5 spice. I don't have the garlic powder neither. No problem. Okay, if you have 5 spice, you use the 5 spice. In my case, I'm going to choose 5 spices. So I'm going to use half of it to season the chicken with some salt, pepper, and a little massage. This spice actually smells good. So now, you get some flour, cornstarch, and you add the rest of the spices. Then get 1 egg. Maybe I will add some water in it. I want it a little bit runny. I almost forgot the garlic. I don't have garlic powder, so you just need one of those. Maybe 2 cloves of garlic. You just put it in straight. You don't even need to peel it because, of course, I'm lazy. And then it's not really necessary. Look at this. You see? Massage the chicken a little bit more. And now we are ready for frying. So get the chicken, put it in the flour, then in the egg, very quick, and then back here. Yes, double coating. And now in the fryer it goes. Put all the chicken in. I'm going to put the wings last because anyway they're going to cook faster. Looking good. So it's now about 12 minutes. Yeah, it looks okay to me. Okay, now tell me if this doesn't look like the real deal. I mean, look at this, look at this. Let's try it. Ooh. It's not bad, you know? Did you hear the crunch? Crunchy in the outside, juicy in the inside. Oh. Anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe. See ya!